Welcome to the next lesson. All right, so this lesson we're going to continue on our little vortex, or this is the infinity box, and let's put another box in front of it. So taking the pen, draw a square right here, and we will need your liquid gel whiteout pen, jelly roll pen for some of this today, because we're going to go over top of the little mini infinity box we did last time to give it more of a 3D look. So let's take that. This is a liquid pen, which I don't like as much as the jelly roll. So just erasing little bits here, just in the corner. You can always fill it in again later. Because we're going to 3D this box. So maybe till about the middle. Since the box is 1, this one has to be half. Oh, these jelly rolls are the best. Like so, like a little square there. I'm just gonna wait until that dries. But we can go up diagonally from this corner halfway, wait for that one. We can do this one halfway, and then that one will go halfway once it's dry. And from here, let's draw another box to the left and up above. So right here. Now this is also a point where you can go off on your own and draw random boxes along this area, in this area. As long as we're going to draw another infinity box too over here today, and then we'll fill in the little mini in the vortex in the middle. Okay, so so we've got this one, we've got this one, and this one we have the bottom already. Let's continue making this one more 3D. Still waiting for my other one to dry. Got a bit of a mess on my ruler. I'll just wipe it off. There we are. And coming down. I hope you're having fun drawing with me. I'm really enjoying these as well. Okay, and coming up, let's say just a little bit. Let's draw another one here, just above. So I'm guessing that last one we drew, just skip one and go one above it. If you feel comfortable to freehand this box, do that. But, you know, ruler does always make it look more crisp. Might be easier if you had a little ruler. I don't, but it's okay. And this one, let's make it a longer box. So this will be fun. Let's go 1 full centimeter. So this is going to be a long box, just for fun, so you can see other ideas of what you can do. So this one will go a full centimeter all the way to the next intersection. And then, sorry, I thought I heard something, down and across. So this will be a nice long box here, like so. These will be sort of floating in the middle. One more box where that top one, that top corner ends. Come up here, and if you need to pause this and go slower, feel free to do that. And 3D this one. Like so. You're getting good at these by now, I'm guessing. It is a darn lot of fun. I went a little bit further with the line at the bottom, so I'll just use my jelly roll. Where is it? Oh, it's in my hand. Of course. Like so. All right, so continuing around the side, not shading these in yet. Let's make a platform for this bottom box. So coming over halfway here, let's go over this, so this bottom box here, let's go over just halfway. And oh, I guess mine's probably dry by now, so I can go up here. And halfway to the end. Now this one's going to be sitting on another top of a box. So where we draw the line, this one, put a little dot in the center of the box to the bottom and to the left. And this stops on the line, so we'll put a dot on the line right underneath here. So the dots are here and here. Okay, so right under this long one. And I guess I can probably go over, I think my Jelly Roll pen's dried now, so I'm just gonna finish off of this one. Well, before I forget, and we'll go back to that. So many things to do. And just making this infinity box touch again. Like so. And here, let's finish off the 3D roof, coming down to there, where we put that dot, and here where we put that dot, and then drawing a horizontal line to connect that roof. You can kind of picture here how this one will go straight down to the bottom of the page. Hopefully you have room here. If you don't, you can go off on your own tangent. All right, so this box is sitting on this kind of building here. We can add more details, and we will later. Let's keep going though. Up here, we'll make a couple of boxes. How about this one here? So I'm trying to make this part into a vortex, which means we have to fill in boxes all around it. So this one, and then we'll 3D this one. Random boxes, just have fun with it. I'm guessing you're getting pretty good at guesstimating the halfway points now and doing your best, and if it's not 100% perfect, it's not the end of the world. And let's do another one. Let's go, this one can be, if we go up from here, this won't be the face, this will be the side, if that makes sense. So we'll come up 1 centimeter, and then from here we can go, just a second, we can go halfway in, so to the center of that box. So we're doing this sort of backwards. So halfway in, and then going down diagonally. So we're sort of doing the roof first here again, okay? And then over 1, the halfway to the halfway, and then up diagonally and over horizontally. So like that, we just did the roof first instead of the box. So this is good practice. We did the roof first here, and we did the roof first here. So you have to use your eye a little bit and just get used to it, how it goes. And then I'm going to draw a line all the way down to the bottom from this one, and all the way down to the bottom from this one. So today's lesson, I'm hoping you learned how to use your eye to sort of draw the roof first. let's just put all of these down to the bottom here. Now this one looks like it has a little box on top. You can leave that and make them all boxes if you want to. I have a little cat here with me today. Sorry about that. So this one I will keep the building-ish thing, like boxy building. So it has different boxes, and this one we can just leave a solid chunk. Okay. So we can even put another one here. A little shorter one. That's okay. All right, so that's what we have there. Continuing on. Let's start with the roof with this one as well. Now this one we'll have to erase the bottom part of this big infinity box. So the bottom corner there. And let's start with the roof. So the roof will have to go diagonal first, like so. Diagonal towards the corner, like so. And over, there's the roof. And then coming down, now let's go down a little bit further. How about we'll go down 2 centimeters to make this one a little bit longer. And this one will go down 2.5, like so. And with the example, I did this one 1.5, and then we just I made a long line actually that went like this, which we can do actually. So that one we did 2, let's erase half of it. So it's just 1.5, 1.5. And then from here we can join these ones. So that makes one long line like so. And fill them all in with the pencil, because it's getting out of hand. We got to start filling stuff in so we can see what our progress is. Don't forget that down line from here. And filling in the sides. This part, I guess I could zoom in a little bit here. Sorry, be easier for you. Thanks for putting up with me here. All right, there we are. And filling in the sides of these boxes. This big long box that we did. And I think it's fun that today we learned how to draw the roofs first, the top parts first, the diagonals, getting used to that parallelogram shape, and then from there drawing the box at the front. So we hadn't done that before. So that's the purpose of this lesson, let's say. And then filling in the area around our next vortex. We're almost there, actually. We just have to, so this will be the vortex area in here, and we just have to fill in this part. Now this part I was thinking of doing another infinity box, just a little one like that. So why don't you, all right, let's start with the roof with this one, okay? This will be fun, starting up a little bit higher. So perhaps let's start at this point here. And we'll start with the roof. We'll go, this is a middle line, so we have to go down to the middle line, down this way. So putting a dot there, making sure the ruler's at the same angle all the way. And you can even use the angle of this part up here that we've used before. So drawing your parallelogram that way. And then coming across. 1.5, coming across, 1.5, and maybe we should go a little bit longer. Let's go 2, so it's half more. Like that and like that. And then drawing the same parallel line from half to that line to half to that line. Yes, so just like so. So we went right from this point where it touches this box here and did a line parallel. So we got a parallelogram here to half that line, so that's 1 to 1, and then a 2 across, and a parallel from half to that line to half between this line at the bottom of this box. Okay, now let's go down 2 centimeters, down 2 centimeters, and look at that, that hits that other tower that we did there, and filling that in like so, coming up half to that line to half to this line, and then up so that it joins. Awesome, joins that tower. Okay, so with this infinity box, I'm not going to fill in the sides like I did the first one. I'm just going to fill it in solid here. And let's see for an assignment, if you, before the next lesson, if you can fill in the middle of the infinity box, like we did last time, that I taught you last time. I want you to try on your own to fill in the middle of this infinity box here. And then next time we come, we'll finish the vortex area here, and just continue, keep going. So we've got quite a bit on our page now, and it's starting to look awesome. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have a great day.